Good morning, student. First, percentage or proportionate method we have discussed in the previous video. Now, second method, total expenditure method. In total expenditure method, elasticity of demand is only three types. Now, elastic demand, elasticity of price that is greater than 1. This is the elastic demand. Elasticity of price less than 1. Inelastic demand or elasticity of price equal 1. Unitary elastic demand. So in the total expenditure method, there are only three types of elasticity. Elasticity greater than 1, elasticity less than 1, and unitary elastic. Firm always considered that price and quantity in comparison to these two, total turnover is important for the firm. Now means only if we take the decision on the price and quantity, this is not a fair decision. Here should be decision in the money, how much total revenue he has increased or decreased. That is reason total expenditure method has come. Now price into quantity, that is called expenditure. Now price into quantity, that is called expenditure, and this is the revenue of the firm and expenditure of the consumer. For example, price is 10 rupees, quantity is 100, so shopkeeper will get the 1000. Price has reduced 500 and quantity has become 200, again he will get the 1000. So for the shopkeeper there is no change in the situation. That is reason the firm will not interested to reduce the price, because the price will be reduced and he will get the same money. So all the shopkeeper firm give the focus on the total volume, total revenue or total expenditure of the consumer. So this total expenditure method has come. This is the first situation. This is the second situation. If the expenditure remains same, there is no any change. If first chance expenditure is 1000, after change the price also expenditure come 1000, that is called elasticity of price equal 1. Now first, elasticity of price greater than 1. This is the elastic demand. How we will recognize this is the elastic demand? From the both side you will explain. If price fall down and total expenditure increase, price fall down but total expenditure has increased, only you have made the comparison between the price and expenditure. Price fall down and expenditure increase, reverse relationship. This is called elastic demand. price increases but total expenditure has fallen down. Now this is also called elastic demand. So here price and expenditure has inverse relationship. Now second, elasticity of price less than 1. Now means inelastic demand. This is the situation of inelastic demand. Here also we will make study first case in the fall down and second case increase in price. First case elasticity more than 1 or elastic demand. If price will fall down, total expenditure will increase, and price will increase, total expenditure will decrease. Now this situation is called elastic demand or elasticity greater than 1. Second, elasticity of demand is less than 1. Here price fall down and total expenditure also fall down. Now you are seeing prices fall down from 10 to 5, total expenditure become 1000 to 900. So price fall down and expenditure is also fall down. So here is the positive relation, both are falling. Or if the price increases, total expenditure is also increasing. So if here is the positive relationship between the price and total expenditure. Price fall down, total expenditure fall down. Price increases, total expenditure increases. So if here is the positive relationship between the price and total expenditure, then this is called inelastic. Or if there is the reverse relationship between the price and total expenditure, this is the elastic. Now you have understood. Now in the case of elasticity equal 1, now price either increase or decrease, but total expenditure remain same. That is situation is called the unitary elastic. Next one is the point method. In the point method, we draw a demand line. First we draw the demand line, and on the demand line for a particular point we will make the study of the elasticity. Point method is used mostly in those cases where there is no any other goods, like a monopoly cases. Now this is the price and this is the quantity. This is OX and this is OY. Suppose this is a demand line. On this point, you have to make the study. Suppose here is given one point. This is the A. This point is given B and this point is given C. Then how we will measure in point method? Now line segment below the point on the demand curve. So below the point, this is the point, and below this line segment is AC. This line segment is AC. So first case AC upon AB, and this result comes 1. So on this point, elasticity of price will be called unitary elastic. Now suppose we are making the study here point T. Now lower segment is DC and upper segment is BD. You are seeing the part of DC is small and part of BD is more, so value will come always less than 1. So this is called inelastic demand. And if we are making the study here point E, now lower segment will be EC, upper segment will be BE. EC and BE. So lower segment are more, so elasticity of demand will be greater than 1. So like such, you will see the elasticity of demand on the demand curve. Suppose you are making the study on the point F. So lower segment is here 0. So elasticity of demand will be on F. Elasticity of demand will be 0. This is the perfectly inelastic. And if we are making a study on this point, this is the G, then elasticity of price is called infinite. So this is the method to calculate the elasticity of demand by point method. So thank you, student.